Clear your lungs, soothe coughs, eliminate phlegm, and boost immunity with this wonderful recipe. This powerful home remedy was taught to me by my grandmother because she never got sick, so she gave me the recipe to start this powerful natural remedy. We take a lemon and cut it into slices. The lemon strengthens the immune system and is a natural stimulator of the defenses from our body. It eliminates bad toxins from our body, so it's a super important ingredient for this recipe. And for our second ingredient, we will need 3 cloves of garlic already peeled and cut them into small pieces. Garlic improves blood circulation and also acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. We also cut red onions and add to our ingredients in the saucepan. Write to us from which country you follow us so that we can tell you hello in the next video. We also add a piece of peeled ginger and we'll cut it into small pieces. Let it boil and after take a spoonful 3 times a day with some honey. For more remedies, drop a yes. I will try it. Thank you very much.